Hey, it's your TC Josie, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a email signature just like Bella's here. So, of course, you don't have to make it look just like this, but it will be super easy to make something like it, and I would suggest you go on Google and search email signatures, get ideas of other people, but this will at least give you an idea how to create one and put it on your Gmail. Please make sure to like if you found this helpful, subscribe to see more tips and tricks from me, and I will see you next time. All right, so the first thing you'll want to do is go to pixlr.com, and you see the spelling here, it's pixlr.com, and you will upload your photo, which doesn't have a cutout. If you already have a cutout, you can probably skip to the next part, but I will show you how to do a cutout of your photo. So this is the original of my pretty Bella, and once you upload your photo, you'll go to these scissors, and then you will go to the magic cutout. So if you've got a blank background, you are very lucky, and it'll be easy to remove that background. But if you've got a weird background like mine, it's going to be a little more difficult. So if we do this magic cutout, remove, if we click here, it's going to remove these blotches. And you'll want to do that because it is the fastest way to remove them, but it can also cut out some important pieces. So let's see. Oh, it got a good one there. Let's do this. All right, and didn't get any of Bella. Ooh, that one got some of Bella. You can tell it's got some gray here now. So I'm going to do Control Z to undo. Let's see if I can get, yep, that's good. This, oh, it's got some Bella. Undo. I got my window. I got that. I'm going to get as much as I can. And it is a free tool, so, I mean, yeah, you have to put the work in, but for free, yeah, it's worth it to me. So, here, nope, Bella. Did that get Bella? Yeah, it did. Okay, so now we've got something to work with. We've kind of narrowed it down. So now we can go to the, yeah, let's go to the draw out tool. So this brush, you can make as big or as little as you want, but I do like it here. Actually, let's go a little bigger than that. And we can literally clean out everything we need. Ooh, not too close to her pretty face. So we can literally clean out all of these splotches. She's got something here. Some weird stuff here. So yeah, now we'll remove some of this stuff. I can probably go a little bigger. And that is weirdness. I'm going to take that out. It's just going to be what it has to be. don't know, that's pretty good. It's not as good as the first time. But there it is, a cutout of Bella. So we'll save it, download as PNG, and we've got a PNG copy of our heads. So next, we will want to go to canva.com. Canva is an amazing marketing tool that you can use for free. So you'll go to canva.com and you will create a design. You'll do a custom size, and this will be for an email signature. We'll do 600 width, 200 height. And it will give us what we need. We will upload the photo that we just cut out, which I've already done. So let's go ahead and there's that. And I like my signatures on this side, but if you wanted it on this side, you could just flip it. I'm just going to let you watch here, okay? So we're going to go to Element. Actually, yeah, Element. And these are basically shapes. So we're going to pick a square shape. We are going to put it to here, all the way out to here. Make a nice size there. Put it to the bottom. And let's get Bella the right size. There you go. So now we will do a text. Let's do a header. Bella Cruz. Let's get some big writing here. Oh, that's too big. And we will search. It's too messy. They actually have a great amount of, that's actually the one I used. They have a great amount of different fonts. So we'll use this one. And then another no, we'll do a subtitle or a subheading and make it much bigger. Let's see what we have. Professional treat eater. Professional treat eater. And I am going to change the spacing a little longer, maybe a little bit shorter. 124, let's go 120. See what it looks like. 110. That might be better. Oh, even shorter. Let's do a header here. Call me for, what is she good at? Oh, more annoying tips. Should have known that one. More annoying tips. Now we're going to change this to white font. Click off of it, click back, and put it here. And we are also going to space this out a little. Oh. Now we're going to do another element. Let's do this one. Actually, I want to do it as tall as this. So I'm going to line it up height-wise, and then line it up. And then I'm going to do a color to be white. Then I'm going to do another header for the phone number. White. Click out, click back in, and let's get some spacing. What spacing did I do here? 124. Let's do 124 here as well. Center. Perfect. Are these the same size? Yes. Professional creator. And well, actually, so we need to change this color. So it does grab colors that you've used or that are in the photo. So I'm going to change this color to the color that's here. And then we've got professional creator, owner of Mama's Last Nerve. Ain't that the truth? Let's do a text. We're going to align this to the left. I'm just going to copy and paste this. 1, 2, 3. Where does she live? 𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗃 Avenue. In Working, Georgia. And let's go ahead and line that up. Is that it, guys? It appears so. Maybe bring this down a bit. Oh, undo. Let's grab everything. There you go. Now you download. Save it where you want. You'll go to your Gmail, settings, Oh, it is in general, all the way at the bottom. Bella too. I want Radana. Warmest regards. Insert image. Upload. Drag. Bam. Save. Compose. Bella 2. And there we are. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this was helpful. It was kind of a joke here, but you can create a very nice email signature in literally less than 10 minutes. Let me know if you need any help with it. I'd be happy to hop on with you. And please like if you found this useful, and subscribe if this is your first time. I do share lots of tips and tricks that will help you. All right, I am looking forward to sharing more knowledge with you. Bye.